10 divided by 5 equals 2. And again here we have 10 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first this division, 10 divided by 5 is just 2. So 2 divided by 10 and divided by 5. Now we have to do this division. 2 divided by 10 can be written as 2 over 10. Then divided by 5. Now let's simplify this fraction. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So we have 1 over 5 divided by 5. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 5 times 1 over 5, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 5 times 5 equals 25. So 1 over 25. And this is our final answer to this problem.